Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credit. I keep on telling you that you don't know the things said people. Bless up on yourself today, you know what I mean? But you don't know my style already. One bag of one in a one, and we gotta give you these early updates daily. Yes. And as you see on the screen, Bone to Kill It, this is Jack Cure and praises Agent Sasco. Spice about to Obeah Shenseea after she's doing a yard sale selling Pupina. Yes, the fans are critiquing and criticizing Shenseea selling used clothes to Jamaicans back home. You see me, I say? And also I one bag of thing with her, you know what I mean? Getting breast implants and all these things, you know. And her camel toe failed to break the internet. Yes, one bagger, you see me, I say, because I got how new girlfriend Camille is denying that she bought him that new Mercedes Benz, as well as Kesha. You don't know the things that seems to be getting justice after she passed away in that terrible way. You see, man. But before we get into all of that, people, please hit the like button from now and share the video. It'll be truly appreciated. Yes. Okay, people, there seems to be a bit of confusion about the purchase of this Mercedes Benz that you see, the king of dancehall, revenue. Just see me, I said yesterday the streets was buzzing. They were saying that Beenie Man is broke because he doesn't own his publishing. The streets was also saying that his new girlfriend Camille is known for minding men. You see me, I said she was footing the bill while the DJ was in the UK. You see me, I said now he reached to Jamaica and bam, new Mercedes Benz. You see me, I said. So the streets was having a field day yesterday, but it was brought to my attention that I did a review about Beenie Man buying a new Mercedes Benz, as you see on the right hand side of your screen 3 months ago. The video is still on my page. You see me, I say, it looks like the same Mercedes Benz he just drove off the lot yesterday with his new girlfriend Camille. I don't know what the scenario is. Maybe he was checking out this vehicle before he went to the UK. You know what I'm saying? You know, also, he had just went on Versus TV. So, you know, he got a large sum of money. You know what I mean? Assuming, you see me, I said, he gave a portion of it to Crystal and she bounced. And, you know, he said, you know what, I'm going to buy a car out of this. You see me, I said. So it looks like, say, the doctor paid for it himself. But like I said in the headline and in the beginning of the review, his new girlfriend is denying that she bought the Mercedes Benz, and this is what she had to say. So like I said, man, these streets was buzzing yesterday that Camille, the big businesswoman from the UK, bought this Mercedes Benz for Beenie Man, whether cash up front or, you know, using her credit and 10% down, you know what I mean? But nevertheless, this is what they was saying to her. Camille by Beenie Man Benz, cha blood clot. Nice, bud, you know what I mean? And she responded, you're talking about Beenie Man. You know, he certainly don't need me to buy him any car, darling. Camille, I don't think Beenie Man is telling you the full truth, but nevertheless, let's proceed. Because the people have not stopped from inquire because the angel, Carlene and the rest of the baby mother them are complaining about child support, you know what I mean? So they're saying, who buy this vehicle? The king? Not like it, not like forgive women money. Okay, sorry for your bad experience. Congratulations, King Beanie. I believe you wanted to say, dear. And then she had some words for I guess people that's hating on their relationship. She responded to somebody saying, it's going to always it's going to always sick them, 'cause they wish it were them. Putting out a comment section, ooh, them is me, but people them is also chastising Beenie Man upon his purchase, if I am purchase it, because people said he should have bought a house instead and put one of the youth them near upon it. Him live them life. You know what I'm saying? Putting out a comment section if you feel what that person was saying. But we just have to clarify things around here. So Camille, me know, yeah, watch, you know. We are work, you know, girl. You say, I said, you put out the work and we'll distribute it. You feel me? Now, Jakir seems to be getting a fight. As you know, a fight landed him in Amsterdam prison or jail. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about Bounty Killer seemingly throwing some shades at Jakir. You feel what I'm saying? And bigging up Agent Sasco at the same time for his grand opening of his studio. And he had some choice words to say. You see me, I said. So he reposted that picture that you see in front of you with the grand opening of the studio, and he said this in the caption: "Kudos to our brother Agent Sasco for setting this stepping stone for the one here now and ones to come. Salute, big move. This was something I think man like Jack Cure should have done. I doubt Sasco has ever even got arrested, much less jail before. But to each his/her own. Nevertheless." Congrats to all the parties involved. Great effort.
Engineering side and the acoustics they will learn the basic requirements of this. Opening of the studio to me represents one of the things that struck me about this program when I was invited by Mr. Barty and the folks at MNS to be a part of Be Transform. And this studio, as I said, represents to me what I believe that idea is about. And in a very real way, says we transform. And in this case, we were able to transform a space here at Metcalf from what it was to what it is now. And I am confident that it will facilitate the kind of transformation that we know is possible in the lives of the ones here. And the we, a few folks before now mentioned the partners, and that is the we part of it. The several partners from DCS, of course, the ministry, in this case, Digital Foundation. I personally know the transformational value of music. Clearly it has been a very significant part of my life, and I look forward to hearing the great stuff coming out of Black Diamond Studio. And as much as we celebrate and welcome creative freedom and creativity, I must say that we can all agree that nothing that emerges from this studio should in any way be promoting or endorsing or suggesting any kind of idea, activity, culture, value, whatever, that will land someone in a space like this. So I think it ought to be said. And I'm sure Mr. Brown will make sure that the thing roll and through and give thanks. Thank you guys. It's great to see everyone here today. Thanks again to all of the partners, all of the people who make up that.
Agent Sasco went on to say in his caption, "There is a great promise, potential, and talent in our young people. Some just have not had the chance, nor means, nor opportunity to unearth theirs. This studio is one of the projects we hope will provide an avenue for positive engagement and offer a scope for growth and development to the young men at this facility. Thanks to Digital Stepper, Ministry of Government, whatever, and West, whatever, and all of the help who make this vision reality. Black Diamond at Met Cafe Street Juvenile Remand Center. Hashtag give thanks." You see me, Austin? And he also went on to say the making of Black Diamond Studio, the most fulfilling part of making the recording studio at the Met Cafe Street Juvenile Remand Center was actually working alongside the young men, from design decisions to solving problems together. And most importantly, just reasoning about life. I'm very proud of the work we did. We transformed the space at, Obeah, Baga, Implant, So it's definitely a good look, you know what I mean? I don't know why Bounty Killer would have mentioned Jakir and all of these things, maybe because, they are the remand center and, juvenile people and all of these things. But, Jakir said was innocent and him did frame for the rape and all of these things, and a man is just a man, you see me, I'm saying, a Babylon system and things, guys. But we just again them up there, but I go on from that to go on, you see me. Now, dancehall artist Kesha that passed away 2 years ago seems like is finally getting some justice. She has mad hit songs with Vibes Cartel. You don't know the things said. He was devastated by her loss. You don't know the thing said. I think it was a domestic dispute, she and her man, or something along them lines then. She must have stabbed him and, she must have got shot and all of these stuff, but that was 2 years ago and a lot of people is saying, oh, the girl doesn't get justice, no, but people remember saying, investigation have to go on, you see me, I say, and things don't happen overnight, but we're glad for here, so things is going along smoothly, but me just want to give you that update that, the man finally get arrested and charged for murder. So I know so the family must feel a little bit better, even though this can't bring back life aside. So it's just a troubling situation. I remember hearing the story. It just sounded wild and crazy, It just sounded wild and crazy. Me not lie, people, but yeah, let's proceed. Now the Shenseea segment. And I like Shenseea, but we have to do what we have to do, The streets say me forbidden messenger and the streets is talking about homegirl, Like I said before in the video, she got breast implants done. You see me? I said that's what the streets is saying. The streets is also tired of her speaking American and twanging the way she does. And most importantly, the streets is bashing Shenseea for trying to sell Pupina, you know what I mean? And just make a clothing line like people are idiots. So I don't know where we should start first. Let's start with the Pupina, yeah, because Shenseea says she has sell Pupina when she reached back at Jamaica, you see me, I say. And the streets is beating her, so let's take a look.
About doing a giveaway back in Jamaica. I want to do a yard sale, but like cheap, because I got a lot of stuff that I'm not wearing. So when I come to Jamaica, I want to do a yard sale. I'm selling out shoes, and I'm selling them real cheap too, because actually I want you guys to, get some stuff in for the Christmas, but I spend so much money on those stuff, I really can't think. Unless I'm giving it to a girl's home, which I'm already doing. I think I got a couple colognes on there. But I'm going to sell my stuff for like real cheap, like $1,000. Like legit, $1,000, $500, $1,500, $2,000. Like I'm not gonna go.
Hey, mommy, can I tell them something?
No, Sam, no, I tell them nothing because that is why I'm afraid to tell my business.
No, I'm not telling their business. Then I just say I'm not gonna talk your business.
Camille, man, I don't up you like me.
So as you can see, the people in the comment section was crazy. I screenshot a little bit for Ono. I'm not gonna read all of them, but when I can look upon them, some person said, you're doing a yard sale for Jamaican Sheng, not the Yankee them. So please stop Yankee it. No sound good. You see me? I say, why the hell we love to go this and blah, 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 blah. Some other people say, isn't this the same thing that Jada is doing? Really, chick, shaking my head. Some people is even calling out saying, and quoting her, want you guys to get some stuff for Christmas. For me. Oh boy. She means she want to sell you some stuff for Christmas, Giving back is not having a yard sale to make money, whether it's cheaper or not. That's not giving back. Giving back is supposed to be free. You know what I mean? And some other people were saying, she should find some of her friends and just give it away to, but boy, people. It don't look good for Shenseea. Nothing she do looks good, But the Obeah thing come up with her selling these things, you see me, answer? And by saying if she ever makes Spice get a pair of her shoes and send it to her Obeah man, she never make another hit song. Jaja, big up yourself, Mama Spice, you see me, I say. And some people are saying she should just donate them to the Salvation Army because, let's be honest, Shenseea don't wear name brand clothes, man. She wears some cheap clothes, dressmaker boy I buy from China for wholesale or for the low and selling it back. You see me? I say, we rarely see Shenseea any name brand thing, so me don't know what she has sell Pupina, you see me I say. But me just I give you that update with that aspect of Shenyengz. Now let's go to what the streets is talking about now with these body implants, you know. Okay, time for the surgery part. It's already been established that Shenseea body the flat like a dirt road. We don't have to show the dirt road no more. You see me I say, and she got her butt done, you know, and it was also brought to her attention that she had got her teeth done, because you know she did have some chaka teeth, you see me I say. And you know the other day we do a review saying that she got her nose job done as well, because the nose just seemed to be a change over the years, you see me. But somebody sent me a DM and said, yo, King, Shenseea not smart, you know. The breast she girl do, you see me, I say, and I'm like, she did the breast. So, you know, I go over upon her page, we take a look and see what I go on from what not I go on. And Mrs. Shenseea try to break the internet in more ways than one, cause girl come to her out her road, no blood, not. You see me, I say. One thing that it always fat pan Shenseea was her front. No matter how mager her body and legs did, you know. Girl had a fat front, and you see her come to her bust out, you know. But the people them said she did her breast job, and I'm not sure if she did. So I need the breast specialist them. And I'm talking about the ladies them, you know, because one of the specialists when they go doing the designer body. They shouldn't see her get breast implants based off of this picture, because I'm saying is maybe the bra that make her breast look like it full up a little bit and a little bit, you know, lifted and all of these things, but nevertheless, can't really trust Shenseea, you know, because them people are tricky. They always put up some old posts or some new pictures or some old pictures, make it go on like say a new pictures. And I seen that she deleted the picture that you see on the right hand side of the screen in the pink bikini top, you know, with her look like she did have her breast done. So who knows, you know what I mean? Who knows? Put in the comment section, do you think that she got her breast done based off of, you know, the Calvin Klein post she put up? Because, you know, she have on the Calvin Klein two-piece. You see me? I said, boy. But people, I'm just like give them quick updates. Yeah, don't forget to like the video 1,000 times and share that 1,000,001 on all social media platforms, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter. It'd be truly appreciated. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed already, what the hell are you waiting for? Hit that notification bell as well and press all there for you to be notified when I drop the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.